Met recently with School City Hammond. I met with the superintendent, met with school board members, talking about what's going on with the lawsuit with the state of Indiana as it relates to Clark High School and Gavit High School. I think the school city is doing great things, but I did want them to know that my patience is starting to run thin on the high school situation, that we're not going to stand by as a city and watch our old high schools fall into disrepair and slowly dilapidate before our eyes. So I let the superintendent know that we were hoping to see more action in a quicker time frame. I wanted to update the council that Clark High School, we own the parking lots, we own the athletic fields, the city does, and we're planning to move forward real soon with a subdivision there. We can't do anything with the schools themselves until the schools decide to move forward. They're afraid because of the lawsuit requiring them to offer it to a charter school. We're sort of at a standstill. Gavit High School, the complete footprint is still owned by the School City of Hammond, 100% of it. And last but not least,